full time, Molde nil, Arsenal 3. So Arsenal go to Norway and pick up the points, and Pepe makes a case for his redemption. In the first half, we were half decent, but not quite great. We had quite a few shots on target, like we had two from Reiss Nelson, one in the 3rd minute and the other in the 13th minute, where he forced their keeper Linder into two saves. And Pepe himself had a shot on target which was comfortably saved by Linder. Sinian had a chance for them where he should have scored, but he hit the shot straight at Runarsson. And after that, the game was a bit slow paced, where we had some half chances but we weren't able to do much with them, and they themselves had another chance where there was a header from Sinian that went just over the bar. And at halftime the score was 0-0. In the second half everything changed. There was a substitution due to a small knock where David Luiz got one. Holding came on for David Luiz. In the 48th minute we hit the post with a beautiful strike from Pepe, and 5 minutes later Pepe got his reward. He scored a great goal in my opinion. A cross from Willock found him and he was in the box. He took a touch and curled it into the left hand corner past Linder to make it 1-0 to us. In the 55th minute we doubled our lead through Reiss Nelson. Following a break, Joe Willock bombed down the right wing. He sent in a low cross and Nelson tapped it home from close range to make it 2-0. Lacazette had a chance in the 71st minute, but his shot went straight at Linder after good work with Nketiah, in an exchange with Nketiah. In the 83rd minute, substitute Balogun made it 3-0. Following good work from Emil Smith-Rowe down the left hand side, he bombed down the left wing and squared it to Balogun, and Balogun made no mistake to make it 3-0. And yep, it was a good night in Norway for us, and we now make it to the round of 32. I should have mentioned it in the beginning of my video, but I forgot to mention it. So a good day for us following a poor performance against Leeds last week, and shout out to Pepe for redeeming himself. I knew he was going to be important. He did make a silly mistake, no doubt, against Leeds last Sunday and deservedly got sent off, but he's still such an important player for us for the rest of the campaign, and we might as well play Reiss Nelson now since Pepe is suspended, as I don't want to see Willian starting Premier League games. I know it might sound harsh, but there is no reason to play Willian when you got fresh legs. Absolutely no reason from a footballing standpoint. So I'm going to get into the player ratings real quick. There isn't much to talk about because our defense was decent apart from a few early mishaps. So I'm going to give Runarsson an 8 out of 10 for that important save he made in the 13th minute. David Luiz, I'm going to give a 6.5 out of 10 because he was okay, not great. Mustafi gets a 8 out of 10, mainly due to us keeping a clean sheet. He was better in the second half than in the first half. Maitland-Niles 7.5. Okay in the first half, much better in the second half. Relatively good in fact. Cedric 7.5. Same as Maitland-Niles. Little bit average in the first half, but quite good in the second half. Xhaka 7 out of 10. A bit off in the first half, but good in the second half, but got substituted. Joe Willock gets 8.5 out of 10 for his 2 assists. Pepe gets a 9 out of 10 for his brilliant goal and hitting the post, and he was involved everywhere. Reiss Nelson gets an 8 out of 10 for his goal and his industrial work on the flanks. Lacazette, I'm going to give a 6.5 out of 10. His hold-up play was good, but he should have scored. Nketiah 7 out of 10. He worked hard and pressed their defense, and was lucky or unlucky depending, but he was offside, so his goal was chalked off. I think what we've learned is we must play Nelson over Willian. That is the one thing. And Lacazette needs a goal. I hope he gets it soon because he can go on long goal routes as we have seen in the past. So now we move on to Wolves on Sunday, and it's time to get back to winning ways in the Premier League. Thanks for watching. Until then, enjoy and have a great day.